G'day and welcome to the time lapse for the bonus block for chapter 2 of the Mad Quilt Party. A couple of weeks ago I showed you the White Rabbit, which is the chapter 2 block, and I think this one turned out really cute. But today we're going to do the bonus block which goes along with this. So check it out and I'll show you the final result in just a few moments. That is all done. This one came together really quickly, and let's take a look at the final result. I think this one turned out really cute. I love the background, and I love the timepiece and everything else. This here was actually a boo-boo. This was actually meant to be at the very top. I did this block upside down, but really at the end of the day, I actually talked to John, who designed this, and he said it doesn't really matter with the final piece. I think it kind of gives it a unique look as well, so I'm going to leave it as it is. So let me know what you think of today's block. I always love hearing your comments. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and we'll see you real soon, hopefully, to show you the time lapse of Chapter 3, which is going to be the Mad Hatter. Hope you all have a great day, and happy selling.